In this video, I'll guide you through how to view total Steam hours played. Whether you're curious about how much time you've invested in your favorite games or simply want to keep track of your gaming habits, Steam makes it easy to check your playtime. Follow along, and I'll show you exactly where to find this information. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. You can launch it by double-clicking the Steam icon on your desktop or by opening it from your installed applications. If you're not already signed in, you'll be taken to the login screen. Click the Login button, then enter your account name and password. Before continuing, take a moment to make sure your information is entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Once everything looks good, click Sign In to access your account. If you've previously chosen to stay signed in, Steam may take you directly to the homepage without asking for your credentials. After logging in, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage. This is your main dashboard, where you can browse the Steam store, view community updates, and access your personal game collection. For this tutorial, we'll be working from your library, so click the Library tab located near the top of the Steam window. Once your library opens, you'll see a complete list of the games that are associated with your Steam account. Browse through the list and select the game you'd like to check by clicking on its title. Steam will open that game's library page, displaying useful information such as recent activity, achievements, downloadable content, and other game details. Now look toward the right side of the game page. Just beneath the play button, you'll find the game's recorded playtime. Steam displays the total number of hours you've spent playing that specific title, making it easy to see exactly how much time you've invested. This information updates automatically as you continue playing the game over time. If you'd like to check the playtime for another game, simply return to the list in your library and select a different title. Each game has its own page with its own recorded playtime, so you can repeat this process as many times as you'd like. It's a quick and convenient way to compare your most played games or see how much progress you've made across your collection. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily view the total hours played for any game in your Steam library. Whether you're tracking your gaming time, comparing play sessions, or just satisfying your curiosity, Steam makes the information easy to find. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy gaming, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.